Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Sugar Graphic Jam 36R eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. This was launched by Sugar Cosmetics on October 26, 2020, and as soon as it was available in the website, I quickly placed an order because I did not want to miss an eyeliner that was launched by Sugar Cosmetics. I own 4 liners from Sugar. One is the gel liner, which is Born to Wing gel liner, and Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner, Wingman waterproof micro liner, and I Want You So double matte eyeliner. I've been using 4 of them religiously and I love each of their liners because they are amazing, always waterproof, and they are smudge proof. They're too good, they're too good in terms of pigmentation and long lasting. This liner, I think it's kind of a rocket that was launched by Sugar, because this is the best of all the liners that was ever launched by Sugar Cosmetics. So without any further ado, let's get started. This eyeliner retails for 699 rupees, and let me show you the packaging of this product. It's a standard packaging by Sugar Cosmetics, but I think the purple and pink shades are added recently. It was not there in previous packaging of Sugar, and I love purple and pink combination. Now the inner packaging of this product is something like this. I'll just show you about the graphic details, like the sharp edges of the eyeliner that was never there. Let me show you the precise applicator of this eyeliner. This is a very thin applicator, as you can see, and I think this is the most softest and most thin applicator that was ever launched by Sugar, or any eyeliner company for that matter. This applicator, you won't even feel like you're applying something with this applicator. It's that soft. It's very soft. When I was applying this eyeliner, I did not even feel like I'm applying something. There is a brush that is going through my eyes because I could not feel the tip basically. I'm just going to show you the formula of this liner. The applicator allows precise application of this product because it is very thin. You can easily draw lines to create amazing wing liner, and it would be very easy for you. When I talk about the product itself and how liquidy it is, it's not like other Sugar liners. It's not like a gel liner and it's not like a liquid liner. It's somewhere between. If you remember, if you people would have used Lakme eyeliner, you would have known that it's kind of thick. It's not normal liquid, or it's not a jelly type. It's kind of in a thick consistency, and that's what is this eyeliner about. It's kind of thick and again very pigmented, very pigmented. It's just one swipe that you would require, or I would request you not to apply 2 coats of this eyeliner on your eyelids. It might feel uneasy or it might crumble a little, but though I have not noticed any kind of crumbling, but if you apply 2 coats, it would become very difficult for you to take off this eyeliner, because this is very much pigmented. And to be honest, this is the most blackest black eyeliner I have come across with. People say that Inglot liner is one of the blackest black liner in terms of gel liner, and it's again kind of to the expensive side, but at this price, 699, and such long lasting liner with such matte black finish, I think Sugar has just nailed it this time. Now, as the name suggests about this eyeliner being 36-hour long lasting, I would be honest, and I wore this liner without makeup on my face. Just remember, no makeup on my face. So I just wore this liner for 24 hours and I slept with eyeliner just to test. I was very curious about this 36-hour long lasting eyeliner kind of thing, and then I was surprised to see that even after 24 hours the liner was intact on my eyelids. It did not crumble, it did not fade away, it did not smudge budge or anything. It was just intact. I think when Sugar claims that it's 36-hour long lasting, then it will be. You do not need to overlay this. Just 1 coat of this eyeliner and you're good to go, and good to go with a good matte black finish, like real black. Now, when I'm saying that I have used this eyeliner for 24 hours and then I have I could tell that it lasted on me for 24 hours. To add on one thing, I have super duper oily eyelids. My eyelids are very oily. I need to apply concealer or compact powder or loose powder to let my eyelids sit properly. They are that oily, and even with those oily eyelids and watery eyes, this one lasted. Then I can assure you that this one is going to last on everyone. Every person who uses this would kill this liner. At least 24 hours if you want a liner to stick on your lids, you're good to go with this one. This is a must have for those people. But one thing there is there, that when you apply this eyeliner, please let it sit on your eyes for at least a minute or 40-50 seconds, I would say, and then you're good to go. You have to let it dry, because as I said, it's kind of in a thick consistency and it needs to get dried, and you'll be good to go. Now when you use this eyeliner and wipe it off, you would know how black this is, because you will have black all over your eyes. So how you can remove this one, it's kind of a little bit tricky. Why? Because normal micellar water cannot take this off, and even I had a little bit of struggle to take off this liner with oil infused micellar water. So you have to use a oil makeup remover. I use one from Innisfree. It's a amazing cleansing oil, or coconut oil to the rescue always. Now let's see what Sugar has to say about this product. Offers an intense black color that lasts up to 36 hours with just one stroke, has a smudge proof, transfer resistant and waterproof formula, quick drying and settles to elegant matte finish, is easy to apply and helps create sleek bold lines with ease. The Graphic Gem 36-hour eyeliner is cruelty free and vegan. This product is also free from parabens, dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested, and 100% safe for your skin. So Sugar has always the cruelty free and vegan properties, and all the products by Tri-Sugar are dermatologically tested, so nothing to worry at all. And I've also done a wear test on this eyeliner for 12 hours, so you would be able to see how it lasted on me, because I have already done a 24-hour test for myself. I'm not going to repeat that again. Not that it's hampering my skin or something with a normal little bit of eyeliner for once, but yeah, next time it's again a little bit tricky when you wake up with eyeliner on your eyes in the morning. So if you would ask me how much I would rate this eyeliner, I would rate it 10 on 10 in terms of pigmentation, in terms of long lasting, in terms of the applicator, and in terms of everything. I think Sugar has just nailed it this time. This is hands down the best eyeliner available in Indian market until date. So highly recommended. Go for it, guys. It's not to the very expensive side as compared to the price and the properties and the comfort, the long lasting power, the pigmentation and everything that Sugar has given with this eyeliner. So yeah, that was my short review on Sugar Graphic Gem 36-hour eyeliner. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.